Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So it's back to this video that I literally do once a year in my Hobonichi weeks, and it's setting it up. This will be the second year that I will be using the Hobonichi weeks, and this year I have the Liberty Fabrics Pepper cover, and this is in the English version. So I'm going to tell you right now, this setup is going to be mostly decorative and very simple because I keep my planners very simple to begin with. Let's get started. So I've got a few things here that I'm going to be adding for, I guess, decoration purposes. So this is a name die cut that I got from the Coffee Monsters Co. This one is from Azari shop. I don't know if they're still open. It's from the Annabelle of the Curvy Planner. And then these Planner Monkey Co. stickers. And then I've got some of my Cottonwood stickers from my Cottonwoods collection back in August. Some months stickers. And then some index clips. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually just show you the plastic cover that I have on it is the stripes cover. This is directly, well, saying that, this is a cover from Hobonichi, but I bought it from Fiden Pens, and I just really like how the stripes cover contrasts with the flowers. I thought that it needed just a little more white to kind of break up all of that floral, and I really like the two together. So, I mean, I could try and use it without the cover, but I really like it with the plastic cover. Thing is, once this is all done and I'm finished with the weeks that is currently in here, I will be putting that straight in here in this cover by Bujo Planner. I bought this off of her ready to ship sale, and I will basically be putting the new weeks in here where the old weeks is, and then also combining it with the Planner Monkey freely noted in the Hobonichi weeks size. But putting that to the side for now, first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to keep this Liberty Fabrics in here just because it's nice to know. Well, am I going to keep it in there? I'm going to keep it in the back. Keep it in the back. And I'm actually not going to use the bookmarks this year. Why? Because they were just a pain in my bum this year. I will show you what I'll be using instead. So with this, I thought, do I put it right in the middle or at the bottom there? And I'm wondering, do I also just, because I mean, the thing is, these two together, if I do it like that, I actually like that. So let's grab my Tombow Mono Air Permanent Adhesive, and I got this as part of the swag bag from the Planners Gonna Plan conference in Toronto. And placing this maybe a little bit above center. I know there's some people who like go all out with decorating their planners. For me, I like to keep it simple just because I know that my style can change so quickly. So try to keep it as simple as possible. Ah, I like that. Very, very cute. So there's the first part. The second part that I'm going to decorate is this part here, and this is where my Cottonwood florals come in, and this is, I wanted to keep this really, really simple, like even just one Cottonwood flower, just, and then maybe a circle. I don't know, maybe I'll put down a smaller circle, just like so, and then put this one. This one's the one that's calling out to me. But honestly, I just want to keep it so simple. Like, how beautiful is that? Simple. Then turning to the next page. So I'm not actually going to do too much to this. What I had done in the past was I had covered these with, I'll show you, with these from the Coffee Monsters Co. I'm covering this because this is just shop information, and it just looked too busy. I was basically covering up the Japanese symbols for the calendar, and basically decorating it seeing that everybody else had. But because this is in English, I don't really feel the need to cover it up. What I think I'm gonna do though is grab one of these. Now I can't remember which shop this is from. Oh, Together with KX, and use the same notepad to cover up 2022. Although, how am I gonna do that? Unless I use washi to cover it up again. And that will be for other important dates and things, but I do want to see 2024. So let's find the washi that matched with that. And I believe it was this one. I'm gonna first put it down with the Tombow mono adhesive. I know there's some shops out there that sell kits that basically cover up this whole calendar, and I can see why some people would want to do that. But for me personally, I'm just kind of like, I want to be able to, oh, you know what? I just want to keep it simple. That is the theme of the day. This is the wrong whiteout. I have another whiteout in here that would match the color of the weeks. And this is really, really teeny. So cover that, and cover that, and you can barely see that. Now I'm going to cover some of that too, just so it doesn't stick out too much. There, I mean, you can kind of see that it's been whited out, but it's not so bad. And I can put a little bit of this washi, but compared to last year, I'm keeping this, again, the theme is simple. Put a little bit here, because it matches with that. This washi is from, I believe it's the Happy Planner. I think it's one of the few washis that I have left from the Happy Planner. And I like it because, one, it matches with this notepad. And there we go. I'm gonna say it again, simple. All right, this page is one where I keep track of the monthly number of orders that I've had, but also the number, basically the gross sales that I've had and how many sales I've had each day. And it's actually been really, really helpful for me as a shop. Now, do I want to do some decorating? I could do some really quick decorating like up there, and I would be okay with that. I would be okay with that. So let's put just a little one there. And already I know that's not straight. Oh. There we go. And then I'll cut off the bit at this end here with, gosh, scissors. Whoops. Just like so. And then the other side. I actually quite like that. And cut this. Oh, pretty. Don't need a ton to decorate. You really, really don't. You just need, you don't even have to decorate if you don't want to. If you want to just keep it the way it is, then keep it the way it is. So that is the yearly overview. There's a lot of people that use this for different purposes, like a mood tracker or workouts. I've seen somebody who tracks their weights on here. I've seen somebody track like what fountain pen ink they're using in here if they're doing like 30 inks, 30 days. You can do so much with this yearly overview. For my sticker shop, I keep track of how many orders I get per day. Now, for the monthly section, I'm not going to do a ton to the monthly setup as of yet. One of the main things I'm going to put in here are these index clips from, I got this from Yoseka Stationery. And I'm actually just going to place this in here because Now let's see. There's Lucy. I'm going to place one at the top here. And this will be for the monthly. And then I'm going to take my months sticker, I'm sorry for the barking, and actually just place it right down the side. And I'm going to do this for every month. I'm going to speed through this so that you don't have to watch it, and plus you don't have to hear Lucy bark. And because I know I won't be using this past November next year, I'm okay with not having a month for December, January, February, and March. All right, so now that that's done for the monthly setup, then to the weeks. I'm not setting this up yet. The only thing that I am doing is adding an index clip, because like I said, did not like the way that the bookmarks worked, but also I end up using a pencil board, so that basically keeps most things in place for me anyway. I may not even need one here. So I'm actually going to go straight to the back, the note section here. I don't do much decorating, but I'm actually going to take one of these, place it here, and take another cottonwood, probably a larger one, and just place it like so. Ooh, I like that. Then I'm going to place this right here for the note section. Then the last thing I think I'm gonna do, don't need to do anything in the back here. I feel like this is just gonna bug me if it just sticks out. So let's try, you just stay there. The last thing I'm going to do is go in with these Planner Monkey Co tabs and put them all through the months. So we will start with December. Now, what do you guys do? Do you guys put it on the day that December actually starts? I think I'm gonna do that. So, ooh, these are peeling up a bit difficult. But for this one, last year I used the ones from Coffee Monsters Co. and I liked them, but I wanted to give a different one a try. So there's December, and I'm gonna go through and finish the rest. Okay, so here's my overall finished setup. Just a very cute die cut from Zari shop, as well as from the Coffee Monsters Co. with my name. And then just a very simple sticker from the Cottonwoods collection in my shop. And a sticky note, because I want to keep this very, very simple, because I will be referring to it. And then I just added the washi from the Cottonwoods collection. And then I added the months from my shop, and then I added the tabs, which now that I look at it aren't completely straight, but whatever. These are from the Planner Monkey Co. And then one of the things that I also added are these index clips from Yoseka Stationery. So they're the Midori index clips in silver. So I've got one here for the months, and then I've got one here for the notes. And then what I'm going to be using every week is actually this pencil board which I will keep in here. And that is basically my setup. Very simple. All right, but that is it for me. If you guys have any questions about the setup or anything I've used, please let me know in the comments below. How are you guys setting up your Hobonichi, or how do you use your Hobonichi weeks? Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.